Mechanic shot and succumbed to his injuries while working on a car in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A mechanic was shot dead while working on Fogo Road in Four Parts, Clarendon on Saturday morning. He has been identified as 45-year-old Marlon Brown, who operates a garage on Fogo Road. Reports reaching Links 007 TV News indicate that at around 8:20 a.m., Brown was at his shop working on a vehicle when two men walked up to him and asked to borrow a piece of tool. The police said that shortly after, one of the men brandished a handgun and opened fire, hitting Brown in the left side of his head. Officers stated that they arrived on the scene to discover Brown's lifeless body lying on the ground on its back with what appears to be a gunshot wound to the left side of his head. He was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead and the body later removed to the morgue pending post-mortem examination. No motive has yet been established for this latest incident in Clarendon. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.